first video. It is currently Sunday night. Last minute I decided to come to the car wash with my friends, and I plan on doing a build and breakdown video of my X3. So we're currently at a Shell gas station. They got a self-wash here. As you can see, very dirty. Just look at the tires. Haven't washed them like a month or two. Definitely clean the wheels. I'll clean the engine bay. It's gonna be good as new. Alright, bet. So one of my friends arrived. He has a 340i. Very dirty. He usually washes it every week. There you go. It's right there. Nothing clean. Alright, so my last friend arrived. This is his 328i.
It's tough.
It's tough?
It's tough.
How do you like your car?
Not really.
You don't like it?
No.
Very stock. Alright, yeah, so he bought his own bucket, he bought his own soap. It's like halfway done. So I got this Turtle Wax Hybrid soap. I'm gonna use the extension with the mitt so I can reach. Should be good. Here you go. Oh wait, I have to pay for it. 17%? What?
Scamming, bro.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Alright, so I let those two wash first because my camera was about to die, but we finished my car finally. Nice and clean. Oh, gotta put this back down. Car's murdered out. Black on black. I think I'll move it here, get some better lighting, but major difference is the tires and the wheels. BMW brakes got hella brake dust. Alright, so the drying towel I bought is very old, wasn't really absorbing the water, but we got most of it dry. Alright, lighting is much better now. Yeah, she clean. Alright, there's a new issue. My side skirt is loose. Maxton Designs. I put a rivet, but it's loose now. So my camera actually died. I think I'll film the breakdown video some other time. I'll make it into one cohesive video. Hey, what's up? So in the first part of the video, we did a car detail, but it's been around like 12 days after that. The car's a little dirty, but I wanted to do a build breakdown. My exterior is currently stage 2, and I think we'll start off with the interior first. Okay, so we're going to start off with the interior mods first. First is the carbon fiber steering wheel with the shift lights. I got it from Alibaba, and I got the black emblem to match. And then I have a radar detector. Next is my carbon fiber center console. This used to be gloss piano black, and I did the same thing with the radio trim. It's now carbon fiber. And then I also got this little mod. It's a illuminator light for the seatbelt. And then last of all, I have the starlights. Okay, so for the exterior, let's start off with the underglow and the grill lights. They're from the brand Op7. I saw them on Instagram, and I think it adds a nice touch to the car. I feel like a lot of German car owners and BMW owners, they don't really like putting lights this way because it's kind of ricey. And then the grill I kept stock, and then I do have black emblems on the car all around. And then this front lip kit I got from either eBay or AliExpress. I think it makes the car much more aggressive. And then I do have a windshield banner. It says Beamer World. So next, we have black wheel emblems for the front. Not for the front, for the wheels. There's self-floating ones. You could spin it, and then it goes back into place. Next, these air vents. They used to be gloss black, but I changed them out for carbon fiber. Same with my mirror caps. And then my side skirt, I got it from Maxton Designs. And then I do have carbon fiber mud guards over here. You can't really see on camera. Alright, so we do have tints on the car. It is currently 5% all around, except the front windshield, which is 35%. And in the back here, the diffuser stock, I do have a B58 license plate frame. And then my taillights, they do have a blacked out cover on them, but since the taillights are on, you cannot see. And then this exhaust, it is a catback system, and we got it from Alibaba. The Valvetronic controller is the same as the Valvetronic brand. Alright, next we have the performance mods. I did say in the beginning it is stage 2. So that means it's downpipe, intake, and a tune. And I'm going to pop the hood and show you the engine bay. Okay, so first we have the front mount intake. The brand is RK Tunes. The sound is very, very loud, especially from the outside. And then next we have a charge pipe with a blow-off valve from Burger Motorsports. And then the turbo inlet pipe is under there, which you can't see, but it's from CTS Turbo. And then the downpipe is from VRSF. And I do have a heat shield for the downpipe from Black Market Race. And then up top here, what you actually can see, it's the 3 covers from IND. They're made of anodized billet aluminum. You have the engine oil cover and the 2 coolant tanks. And then these strut bars, they're aftermarket. They used to be like a silver aluminum tube, but now they're red from Burger Motorsports. And lastly, I have a carbon fiber engine cover from Turner Motorsports. And yeah, so the car, it's stage 2 again, and I would guess it's in the mid 400 horsepower range. Okay, so now we're going to get some sound clips of the exhaust. Okay, so that was the cold start. Now the valves are off. I think the valves are very useful in the early mornings and late nights where you don't want to disturb anybody. This is it on and off. Yeah, so a major difference. Okay, so now the revs dropped a little bit, and I'm going to rev it a little bit for the camera. So the current tune I have from MHD, I actually turned off the burbles. I think the car sounds way better that way. I do have overrun brap on. When you let go of the throttle, you hear a little brap. Okay, so that pretty much concludes my first video. If there's any other videos you guys want to see or any suggestions for mods, please let me know in the comments. And then please like and subscribe if you want to see more.